Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Verizon, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your account with Verizon, begin by gathering all necessary information. Locate your account number, which can be found on your monthly bill or in the Verizon app. Prepare any personal identification required, such as your name and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Visit the Verizon website or open the Verizon app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. Look for the option labeled Cancel Account or Disconnect Service. If you are unable to find this option, consider calling Verizon Customer Service. Dial the customer service number, which is available on their website or your bill. When connected, explain that you wish to cancel your account. Be prepared to answer security questions for verification purposes. During the call, ask about any final charges or fees associated with canceling your account. Request confirmation of your cancellation and any necessary documentation for your records. After the call, you may receive an email confirmation of your cancellation. Ensure that you review your final bill for any additional charges. Remember to return any equipment, such as routers or modems, as instructed by Verizon. Follow the return instructions carefully to avoid any additional fees. Lastly, monitor your bank statements to ensure that no further charges are applied after cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.